Well, good morning from South Georgia Motorsports Park. It was a little cold last night, but we had the buddy heater. We got through it. We only got one more night of cold.
Hi.
And we've been doing some stuff this morning. Mainly walking around to see who's here. But the wife has gone ahead and cooked up some delicious breakfast. She's already hungry. Toddler's in there somewhere, watching some Blue's Clues. Our buddy Corey made it in late last night. He's still sleeping. Got his blazer here, running his generator. Might tap into some of that power. I'll put premium back. But truck's still here. Obviously nobody stole it. And we got some good stuff going on. Got some big rigs pulling in. We're gonna go ahead and have some breakfast and get the car ready to go. You know, sick week life. Gotta change out our street tires, so.
Off topic. Beautiful.
Yeah, race car. So Mickey Thompson's gonna mount it for free. Since we're going Mickey's on the car. Thanks to Accelerated Automotive, we have tires that might actually get us through the week now. We just gotta get them all the way up there. For retrospect, they're up by the front of the track, and there's the gold signs. So it's gonna be a wee bit of a ride.
One of the tires was not happy.
Probably.
Yeah, you want to just make the rounds? Yeah. Go back that way.
Test. Hey, good morning, South Georgia Motorsports Park and Sick Week 2025. Just want to let everybody know, just got word from downstairs of the tower that the concession stand is open. Some warm drinks, some hot chocolate, some coffee.
Well, this is supposed to sound like.
It's nice.
So that's what this is supposed to sound like. Dorito action?
You know, I heard him start up and it rap. And I said, whoa, that thing got a rubber in it?
No, this thing is sweet.
Yeah, rubber. Just the Vale Side Fortune. Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift.
Yep. That must have.
We do vinyl the right way. We have the guy who specializes in decals put on our decals. That is a bigger trailer than last time. He thinks he's all cool and shit. Having him his nice little S10 Blazer. His cool little trailer. I'm kidding, he's a cool guy. We broke garage. See if he can back up for shit. Come out and buy some of this guy's merch. Let's hear it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are backing the drag and drive hauler out of the campsite. We are going to go park it in impound, and that'll be the last time we see this until we get back. That means tomorrow morning all we have to do is go to the driver's meeting and then get the car ready to go. As soon as they call us, we're ready to rock. Car's ready to go. Just gotta warm her up and hit the road. will be nice to the truck. Pull these guys. Now the bars aren't loaded up. Trailer's weights on the trailer, now on the truck. Gonna be a while. I mean, look how long this thing is. Look at this. That's a full-blown gooseneck racing trailer. And we're all the way back here. And we go all the way up to here. I'm not saying we're just as big, but damn.
Well, the rest of day 0 did not feel good. It rained all day. Literally, and like the sun went down and it stopped. Like that's how dramatic it was. It rained all day and it was pretty miserable. We just kind of hung underneath the canopy underneath here and broke the TV. Got water on it. Pretty much how it went. Organized the trailer. Hubby was pretty bored. I watched him. That was interesting.
How's the car doing?
Don't know. Did an oil change on it, and that's pretty much it. Drove it around the parking lot here in the middle of the rain. You know, he had to reach out, wipe the windshield off every 2 seconds. Took some pictures. He'll put them here, here, and here. Somewhere, right here. Other than that, that's how today went. Didn't make any passes, unfortunately, so more than likely you're going to be the last class. So we're going to have to make that 300 and I think 40-mile drive tomorrow. And, well, that's pretty far. On drag week, the longest drive we had was from National Trails to Lucas Oil Raceway. And that was 200 miles, I think. So an extra 140 miles, which is quite a ways. So we're not looking forward to that. We're hoping we can at least see some people out, but we'll see how that goes. And don't break any transmissions. Right, Apocalypse? Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.